Good morning, students. How are you, everybody? I hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Muhammad Zillur Rahman, assistant teacher in English of Alokdia Secondary School, Norail Sodor, Norail. Today, I am going to take a class on definite articles from English grammar and composition of class 7. So, dear student, take your textbook and open at page 85, unit 9, lesson 2. So now, dear students, today we will learn about definite articles. That is definite articles. ARTICLES. Dear students, you know definite articles indicate the. That is, the is called definite articles, as it indicates the noun definitely or particularly. So, dear students, to use the properly in the sentence, we need to know some rules. Let's go to the blackboard and know the rules. That is rule 1. Rule 1 is that the is placed to indicate the noun definitely or particularly. For example, there is an example that dash for the is a big river. Dear student, this is the sentence. You know there are many rivers not only in our country but also all over the world. Among them, the Padma is indicated here particularly. So we should put the before this noun. So this is placed before Padma. There is another important rule, that is the is placed to indicate the singular existing thing. That is, there are many things which is only one thing in the world, such as dash, sun, moon, earth, etc. Let's go to the blackboard and follow the example. Rule 2. That is dash sun rises in the east. Dash earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun. The sun rises in the east. This is the only existing thing. So here we should put the as articles. That is, there are another exceptional rules. We know usually in proper nouns do not take article the before them, but there are some exceptional proper nouns. Before that, we should put the. That is, the is used before the mountain range. That is dash Himalayas. HIMALAYAS. Dash Alps. So we should put here the is placed here. So there the is also placed before the name of a holy book. That is dash Quran. Dash Bible. The is also placed before in the name of a newspaper. That is Rule 3. Before the name of a newspaper, that is dash Daily Star, dash Daily Star, dash Guardian, Guardian. This is the two types of English Daily Star, and this is Guardian. This is the name of a newspaper, so we should put here the. Besides, the is also placed before the name of a ocean, of an ocean, that is dash Atlantic, Atlantic, Atlantic Ocean, Ocean, such as the Indian Ocean. So this is the important rule. Besides, there are some other rules, that is rule no. 4. This is an important rule, that the is also placed before the superlative degree words, that is he is dash best boy in the class. So this is the superlative form of good. So before that we should put the. There is besides, we know that the is also placed before to denote any types of nation, to denote the nation, that is rule 5, that is dash Bengalis are peace loving. Another is dash English are industrious. This is the two nations, first on Bengalis, next on English. So we should put here the as article. Besides, the is also placed to indicate the singular common nouns, that is rule number 6, dash cow is a useful animal. We know there are many useful animals among us, but here the cow is indicated here particularly, that is the cow. Here the name of the cow has been mentioned particularly. So before that we should use the. That is, the is also placed before to indicate the whole class of thing. That is rule 7. That rich are not always happy. So, dear students, write down this sentence on your pad. Dear students, we know before the name of a country, we have to put cross. But there are some particular countries that indicate geographical location, and before that we should use the such as dash USA dash UK dash UAE. This is United States of America. This is United Kingdom. This is United Arab Emirates. So before that we should use the. So dear student, there is another important rule, that is the plus noun plus of. That is the 8. That is dash kindness of Han. Han is well now. So we should put here the, that is the plus noun plus of. So now dear student, write down this sentence on your pad. Dear students, have you written all this sentence? I think you have written. Now dear student, take the homework. Write 10 sentences using articles. Using definite articles. F-I-N-I-T. Definite articles. So this is your homework. So dear student, if any suggestion or opinion about my class, please contact with me by this number 01 701 755 680. So dear students, no more today. That be happy and stay in safety. Good luck for him. Allah.